Hi, iFix here. If you're having a specific issue with your garment steamer, such as a very low steam output, or you're having too long of an interval between steam cycles, but you do have a confirmed working power indicated by the power light being on, then this video or this repair video might help you. This will not help you if you have a leak though. And I also want to mention that I'm not a professional appliance repairman, but I'm comfortable and have experience in appliance repair. So if you're not comfortable on your end or do not have any experience working with electricity, I highly encourage you to leave it to the professionals, because I would not be responsible for any issues you would incur from watching and following this repair video. Now let's go to the specific steps. First is to disassemble the steamer base. You have to remove the telescoping stand and the steamer hose. You need to drain out the water first. You can remove the drain plug. Yours might be a little bit different, but the idea is the same. Lay the base flat and prepare your tools. The idea is to remove the retaining screws at the back of the base. For this particular brand, there's two hidden screws inside the wheel, so I have to take that out. And once you remove all the screws, you will now have access to the heating element, and you're trying to get access to the thermal switch, and that's causing your problem for this particular issue. There should be two terminals, and once you take those push-on terminals off, you'll see the thermal switch there. That's the old one. There's two screws. Just remove the two screws with a Phillips screwdriver, and you can see the part number there. You can buy online the same number as this one. It's 120 degrees, 10 amps. You can research thermal switch online as well. Put the new one back in, like so. It doesn't matter if you switch the terminals. They're interchangeable, they're not polarized. Once that is replaced, you can put the base top like so and test if it's working before you put on all the screws back in. Looks like everything's working, and this one's probably working a little bit better than the original one. And again, and if you do have leaks, I would suggest using this red RTV high temp gasket maker, or you can use any silicone as long as it's high temp. Replace all the attachments, such as the hose and the telescoping stand, and now you have it. I hope this video helps you in any way, and thank you.